Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arav.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bhuvan.
Ma'am, what
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shreya. Beta, today we'll do some interesting activities. Good morning.
Ma'am, means I'm saying that can we do question answers afterwards?
Huh? See, I
Good
have got.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Kavya. I have some activities for you. So I'm thinking of
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, interesting activities.
yes, related to chapter only. Related to chapter. Good morning, bache. Related to chapter only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Really,
Good
Taran?
morning,
How do you know? Good morning, Taran.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning.
How do you know I am looking very beautiful today? Huh?
Ma'am, from your profile picture.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta Aryan. This was Aryan only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, beta. Good. Class, I'll be sharing. ये आशीष कौन
Good
है?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Krishna. I am sharing some pictures with you. One by one, I'll be asking you questions, right? So give me, let everybody join. Fine. And give me 2 minutes time to share the screen as well, right? Right, class? Good morning.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Beta, who is this Ishita Nigam in the class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Utkarsh. Good morning.
मैं भी मैं मारुति मेरा मौत
Okay. Fine. I hope all have joined. Only
Yes,
40,
ma'am.
only 44 participants. Do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Class.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. I am sharing the screen.
Okay.
Share screen. And share. Fine. Why it is not coming?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta Jivyat. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. There are some
Yes,
pictures
ma'am.
over here. There are some pictures over here, right? Now,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, beta. One by one, you have to tell, like suppose I say first picture, what is shown? Like it is written, no, identify what or whom the following illustrations relate to. These are from your chapter only, but no cheating. You should know it on your own. Nobody will open books for it, okay? Let me see how much you have grasped in this chapter. No, all the answers collectively you will be writing on a notebook, and then you will be sharing the image of that in the class group. Yes, Fatima?
My fair notebook or
Ma'am, we
rough
can do
notebook?
it rough.
In the rough, if you want to do it in the fair notebook, do it in the fair notebook. Write today's date, tell worksheet, identify what or whom the following illustrations relate to. Write this question. Later on, I'll be sharing the PDF on the class group. You can take the printout and stick it there. Okay?
Ma'am, we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
write on also.
Beta, is the recording going on? Please tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am,
I
can
hope
we write on?
Huh?
I mean, rough also can be.
You can do that as well. No issues with that. But you need to share the screen image of the thing that you are writing. Okay. So first one, can I have the cameras on for all of you?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I open it in 2 minutes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
ma'am, my
also open
area's
it?
net is not working properly.
Okay.
Ma'am, mine also.
Chalo. So those who can keep the cameras on, please switch it on. So we have total 50 participants in the class right now. Akshat. Akshat Sharma is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is the first image telling you?
1 second, ma'am. Identify what. Ma'am, I think it's a war, and ma'am, people are burning buildings.
Okay. Arshit, what can you identify in the image? Arshit? Arshit, A-R-S, Arshit, the girl.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Arshit,
this is the this is the image of destruction of Palace of Versailles.
not Versailles, Bastille.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Bastille, okay.
Ma'am,
Fine.
may I?
See this first image, okay. Aradhe?
Ma'am, but it was named in our book as Storming of Backside.
Storming of the Bastille. Bastille here, palace.
Backside.
ठीक है? हाँ.
Storming of.
So it is the
Excuse
storming
me,
of the Bastille.
Ma'am, the second one, may I?
Wait. Nobody will leave the meeting. I'll take the attendance in between, okay? Fine. Second one, Avantika.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait. Avantika, what is the second image
Ma'am,
telling?
may I?
Wait, bacha. Wait. You all can write your answers in the notebook that I have.
Please show the second image properly.
Okay, just a second.
Ma'am,
May I
it's the they are
ma'am.
the rights of man and citizen, and ma'am, there's uh, the law of France.
The Declaration of the Rights of Man. This picture is showing where a
It
personification
is
of
showing something else as well.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is ma'am law tablet.
it is the law tablet.
Ma'am, may I?
And
Ma'am, law tablet.
Taran, what else it is showing?
Ma'am, the second one or the third one?
Second one only.
Ma'am,
Wait.
ma'am, it is declaring
Ma'am,
the
may I?
human rights which were mentioned in the French Constitution.
And what about these two figures that are there on the top of this law tablet?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, beta.
Ma'am, political symbols are also there.
No, the two figures that are there.
Ma'am, first is the blue, a winged woman, which describes the personification of the law,
Yes, and the other
And
one.
ma'am, the
and
flag
the
of the
second
France.
and the second woman who is wearing clothes of blue, red, and white. Ma'am, she describes the national colors of France.
She describes the national the colors of flag, right? National colors
Ma'am,
of
she is even
flag.
breaking chains, ma'am, freedom.
See, if a country has a constitution, that means it is an independent country. Okay. Now coming to the third figure.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, beta.
Ma'am,
wait.
may I?
Wait.
Ma'am, I like
Yeah.
the fourth figure.
Queuing in.
हाँ बोलो व्योम बेटा, जल्दी बोलो बच्चे, क्या बात है?
Ma'am, if picture, ma'am, how we will define that it is wearing blue, red, and that clothes, ma'am. Ma'am, colorful print to any ma'am. Yes, ma'am. From speaking we can describe, ma'am, but
See, if in exams you will get a colored picture only. Don't worry for that. Okay.
okay,
And
ma'am.
ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell the third one?
Ma'am, I can tell the third one.
Divyansh,
May I tell the third
wait
one?
a second. Somebody. Wait.
One.
दिव्यांश आप क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
Ma'am, we have to write only the names of the pictures, or ma'am, we have to stick the these pictures also. in
No.
notebook?
You just specify the number of the picture. That will be sufficient. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए third one. RN
Ma'am, may
Bhardwaj.
I?
ma'am,
RN
may I?
Ma'am,
RN Bhardwaj.
Ma'am, may I?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this picture, ma'am, there is a ma'am, he is Napoleon, ma'am. He's sitting on the horse, ma'am,
The
riding.
third picture. RN third picture. Wait.
Yes, ma'am, I am telling third only.
No.
Yes,
Ma'am, may I?
ma'am.
No. Third picture you are not telling about.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Shivansh,
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
Shivansh, Harshit, Vyom, Khyati, all together.
Ma'am, woman queuing.
Ma'am, woman queuing up at the bakery.
Queuing at a bakery.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
very-
this photo shows that ma'am, women are lining up outside a bakery for buying some goods.
for buying the breads. ठीक है?
For buying the bread or ma'am something.
Yes. Very good. So the third picture
Ma'am,
shows.
I have a
Can I
doubt.
tell the fourth one?
Can I tell the
Ma'am, I like the fourth one.
Who has the
Ma'am,
doubt?
I have a doubt.
हाँ जी बेटा बताओ, सक्षम डाउट बताओ
Ma'am,
बच्चे.
Saksham Sharma.
हाँ
Yes,
सक्षम
ma'am.
बताओ.
Ma'am, in the Declaration of Right of Man,
Hmm.
ma'am, in this picture,
Hmm.
ma'am, the scepter and the Phrygian cap is not given. Ma'am, broken chains is given, but ma'am, Phrygian cap and ma'am, scepter are not given.
बेटा देखो
Ma'am,
I'll tell you one thing. See, caps, why they are not showing? Because already when you have declaration of rights for men, for the country, for the citizens, that means you are independent, you are free. So that is why they have not included that here in the picture, right? Talking about the
ma'am, I found the cap. Ma'am, it is above the. Ma'am, it is in right middle of.
In between it has, right? The center part, it has the cap. If you could see clearly, can you see?
The law tablet. Ma'am, but I cannot find scepter.
सेप्टर उसके ऊपर ही तो है, उसके नीचे है, देखो सेप्टर सही से देखो, जो लॉ टैबलेट का सेंटर पोर्शन है. वेट, लेट मी शो यू. ये जो है ना, ये दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, यही है लॉ टैबलेट. ठीक है?
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
And ma'am, above the law tablet is the ma'am the head.
Yes, cap.
And ma'am, the above that is the infinity, ma'am, snake.
हाँ, all the political symbols are included over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the fourth picture.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am,
may
ma'am,
I?
ma'am,
Can I?
may I?
बेटा wait. Somebody was.
May I tell?
चलो सानिध्या tell.
Ma'am, in this picture, ma'am, we can see Napoleon Bonaparte on riding on a horse, and ma'am, he is crossing the Alps, and ma'am, this painting is by David.
In this picture, we can see Napoleon Bonaparte, right?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this picture, ma'am, like, ma'am, who has painted, ma'am, David. Ma'am, उन्होंने मैम इसको मैम अपने मैम इमेजिनेशन से बनाया या मैम नेपोलियन ने मैम ऐसा पोज दिया था तो उन्होंने ड्रॉ किया था?
ये देखो फिगर में लिखा है नेपोलियन क्रॉसिंग द एल्प्स, पेंटिंग बाय डेविड. तो जब इन्होंने एक्चुअल में क्रॉस करे थे एल्प्स माउंटेन, तब का है ये. ठीक है,
मतलब उन्होंने सच्ची में ही वहीं थे तो उन्होंने बना दी.
मतलब नहीं, उन्हें पता चला था कि भाई नेपोलियन ने जो है एल्प्स क्रॉस करा था टू कॉन्कर अदर कंट्रीज, तब उन्होंने अपनी इमेजिनेशन से बनाया था ये उसको. उनको इस
यस मैम, बताती हूं.
चलिए ठीक है. काव्या त्रिपाठी.
Yes, ma'am.
Next picture, fifth one. What can you see?
It is a sans-culotte couple.
Okay, very good. Can you describe the attire that they are wearing?
And stripped trousers.
And what else?
Ma'am, may I tell fifth one?
Wait, beta. Yugraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, I don't know about the wearing of.
Anybody who can tell about the attire that they are wearing?
Ma'am, may I?
Arushi?
Ma'am, can I
To
please?
Doc Warners.
Ma'am, can I?
Arushi?
Can I?
Yes, Arushi, tell beta.
Ma'am, they are wearing long striped trousers and red fugging cap.
हाँ. And what does this red cap symbolizes?
Ma'am,
It symbolizes liberty.
It's liberty.
Liberty.
Very good. It symbolizes liberty. Very good.
Ma'am, sans-culotte.
Ma'am, they also are holding
I'm
a
a
gun.
sans-culotte couple.
It's a sans-culottes couple.
And ma'am, ma'am, that it do not wear knee breeches.
Right. Yes, history notebook has to be both side ruled, beta. Okay. Now coming to the sixth picture. What can you see in the sixth picture?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Chaliye.
may I?
Wait. Krishna, are you there? Krishna,
Yes,
Abhi.
ma'am.
Krishna, Abhi.
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance.
Wait, Prachi. Krishna, Abhi, Prachi. Then we have Harshit Oberoi and Jivyan Sharura all together. What can you see in the next
Ma'am, not like this.
Ma'am,
woman
ma'am,
Versailles.
Parisian women on their way
They
to
won't let us
Versailles.
leave.
Ma'am, Persian.
Ma'am, Persian women's on their way to Versailles.
Versailles.
Ma'am, it tells about
Parisians.
the women's revolution.
All have the same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Lock कर
Yes,
दिया.
ma'am.
Ma'am, women are marching to the palace of Versailles.
Very good. Now
Ma'am, but
next.
why?
Hmm?
Ma'am, but why they are going to Paris or Versailles?
To bring the king back to Paris.
Yes.
Ma'am, but when they gone out?
बेटा उन्हें
मैम मीन्स वो बाहर ही कब गए थे जो हम उन्हें अंदर लाएंगे?
नहीं वो बाहर नहीं गए थे पर वो एस्केप कर गए थे ना भाई जब मोनार्की हुई थी तो वो हट गए थे वहां पेरिस चले गए थे तो पेरिस सॉरी पेरिस से चले गए थे तो पेरिस वापस लेके आ रहे थे वो उनको
ओके मैम
ठीक है
Ma'am, this is Louis XVI.
Where? On the horse?
Yes, ma'am.
No. These are all women going. Marching towards, okay? Now identify the symbols. What does the figure on the right symbolize? Porush, Porush.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the right one.
Yes. What does the figure on the right symbolize?
Ma'am, it shows about the winged woman, ma'am.
It shows about the winged woman. And what is it personifying? What is it personifying?
Ma'am, law is same for all.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay. Can we have Ankur answering the question?
Ma'am, that winged woman was of ma'am personification of ma'am law.
Personification of law. And
yes,
Vanshraj, are you there in the class? Vanshraj? Anokhi?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the B figure showing? What is the figure on the left hand side showing?
Ma'am, I cannot see the picture. I can see the fifth and the... Yes, ma'am, now I can see. Ma'am, it symbolizes all the national colors of France.
It is the personification of France and it symbolizes the national colors.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, national color of France.
The clothes are of the color of France.
Very good. Do we have Abhishri in the class?
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have a wrong answer for the second one.
Ma'am, I also.
Ma'am, Illuminati.
Yes, ma'am, Illuminati.
Second answer, what did you say?
Illuminati.
Carrie Minati का Illuminati.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Carrie Minati तो YouTuber है. Ma'am, Illuminati है. Ma'am, इस type का
Ma'am, it is the god of fire, ma'am.
God of fire.
Ma'am, it is only for ma'am people who can ma'am like for celebrities ma'am who can ma'am जो लोगों का मन बदल सकते हैं या कुछ ऐसे.
अच्छा.
Ma'am जिन्हें लोग
Ma'am, the horror
Ma'am, it
society.
is also known as Eye of Providence.
Okay, fine. Second figure, what is represented over here?
Eye within the
ma'am
clouds.
constitution no ma'am laws of France.
The eye within a
Ma'am, eye within a triangle, which is shining.
Which is radiating?
light.
Light.
Rays.
Ma'am, light.
And what does it symbolizes?
Knowledge.
Ma'am, knowledge.
Knowledge.
Ma'am,
Knowledge.
Ma'am, knowledge.
It symbolizes knowledge. Very good. Coming to the next picture. Where has it disappeared?
Ma'am, please send these pictures on the WhatsApp group.
I'll share the PDF. Don't worry, beta.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Ji, beta.
Ma'am, have we done the question answer of this chapter?
No, we have not done. We will do them. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, have you tell ma'am any maps relating this chapter?
Only one map was there. I have told you about the France one. We will do
Please
it again.
tell again.
Beta, we will do it again. Don't worry. This is a jigsaw puzzle. Solve the puzzle by filling in the blank spaces with the help of the given hints. Horizontally. First wala hai betrayal of one's country. Anvesha. Anvesha, first वाले में क्या आएगा? Betrayal of one's country.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, treason.
Treason. Treason. Treason means betrayal of one's country. Done. This also you write, please, and send it in the PDF, in the image that you are writing about the pictures. Okay. Then third one.
Republic.
Wait.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
liberty.
Wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Act of freeing. Shivansh.
Ma'am, emancipation.
Emancipation. Act of freeing. Emancipation. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Other word for French men. Vyom Saxena.
Ma'am,
Huh?
Monsieur.
Monsieur. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka.
Sultan who responded to the ideas.
Beta galat hai ye. Vyom, this is a wrong answer.
Ma'am, Monsieur is the correct, I think.
7 words are there in Monsieur. There are 8
It
words.
is not correct.
Monsieur and ma'am in.
Beta, वो बात ठीक है. But the question says other word for French men, and the alphabets that are going to come is 7. Monsieur has 8 alphabets in it. ठीक से सोचो.
Ma'am, Sityon.
Yes, very good, Prachi. It's Sityon. See, C से beginning है उसका. देखो तो नीचे puzzle में numbering दिया हुआ है ना व्योम?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो next. Revolutionary journalist.
Ma'am, philosopher.
जर्नलिस्ट. रेवोल्यूशनरी जर्नलिस्ट के बारे में हमने बताया था उस दिन. किसी ने पूछा भी था आई थिंक हमसे. एक पिक्चर थी उसमें.
Ma'am, Jean.
हाँ?
Ma'am, John Paul Marat.
Yes.
Ma'am, but here it's saying 5 letters.
हाँ तो it is merit only. ऐसे देखो MARAT.
Oh, all right, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am, Jean Paul.
हाँ जीन, वो बात ठीक है. जीन पॉल है, बट यहाँ पे आपको केवल
Ma'am, but in French, ma'am, Jean is spelled as Jean.
Wrong. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, but then you don't have to. अच्छा, you just have to write the last name over here. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you finally tell that what we have to write.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of third answer?
Act of freeing, emancipation. EMANICIPATI.
No, ma'am. Third. Sorry, ma'am. Fifth.
Fifth one is
Ma'am, fifth.
Sityon.
Ma'am, CITOYEN.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the seventh one?
Marat. M-A-R-A-T.
Okay, ma'am.
CIT.
And ma'am, where it is written in the book?
I'll tell you later on. Wait. Indian Sultan who responded to the ideas of revolutionary France.
Tipu
Abhinav.
Sultan.
Ma'am, Tipu Sultan.
Okay. it was
Tipu Sultan.
Tipu
Ma'am,
Sultan.
Tipu Sultan.
Very good. Tipu Sultan. Dynasty of. You just
Bourbon.
have to write. you
Bourbon
just have to
dynasty.
write-
Bourbon.
Very good.
Ma'am, Bourbon.
Ma'am, Bourbon dynasty.
Bourbon. Very good. Very good. Now, executive made up of 5 members. What was it called? Huh?
Directory.
Directory.
Ma'am, directory.
Directory.
Ma'am,
Very good. It is directory. Then the one whom the following words refer to. He could think and talk of nothing else when he heard of the July Revolution in France in 1830s.
Ram Mohan Roy.
Huh?
Ram Mohan Roy.
Wait. Where is it written? It is Ram Mohan Roy. Very good. All done?
Okay, ma'am.
All done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start sending your
Ma'am,
answers on the
Ma'am, can
class.
you explain the eighth answer? How?
बेटा जब राजा राम मोहन रॉय को पता चला कि भाई जुलाई रेवोल्यूशन हुआ है तो मतलब he was so much this thing impressed by it because उनको लगा कि भाई जो लोगों ने अल्टीमेटली सोचा वो फाइनली कर दिया मतलब एक बार जो उनके दिमाग में आया है ना वो उन्होंने फाइनली खत्म मतलब कर दिया जो सोचा उसको कंप्लीट कर दिया because he was a social reformer he was quite impressed by this legacy that the French Revolution had given. ठीक है जुलाई रेवोल्यूशन फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बाद हुआ था राइट हाँ चलो नाउ स्टार्ट सेंडिंग योर आंसर्स आई एम शेयरिंग इट ऑन द क्लास ग्रुप ऑल्सो
Ma'am, the answers of that pictures or ma'am these?
pictures in this
Crossword.
also both pictures in this both I have shared and now I am taking the attendance okay B section Adarsh is there in the class not there Abhinath Abhinav Gangwar Arush Pratap
Present, ma'am.
who is this Arush is present Abhinav is present okay then Aryan Bharadwaj Ashish
Yes, ma'am. Present, Aryan.
Yadav then Divyank Mishra Divyanka Verma Divyansh Jain then Jaskirat is not there Ishan Johari not there Diya Gangwar not there
Ma'am, Ishan Johari present.
Ishan Johari present okay Karthik Gangwar not there Lavish is there yes
present.
Madhav Paul not there Manjot Kaur not there Prachi is there Pradyunsh are you there Pradyunsh no Purvashi are you
Yes,
there
ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
Rakshit, Rishabh Gangwar. Is Rishabh there in the class? No. Rohan Rastogi? No. Sameer Yadav? No. Shaurya Saxena? Sorry, Sanidhya Saxena?
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya is there?
Present.
Do we have Shaurya in the
Yes.
class?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then,
Ma'am,
Shreya-
I am there.
yes, Shaurya, ठीक है बेटा. Shrey Shivankar, Shreya Singh, Ursula, Yuvraj Singh
Present,
Gill,
ma'am.
Yuvraj Singh Gill. Yuvraj is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima and Vanshraj Gill. Coming to C section.
Ma'am, my name was not there.
Whose name I have not taken? Please
Ma'am,
tell me.
Ankur Gangwar.
Huh? Ankur Gangwar. Sorry, beta. Sorry. Ankur Gangwar present. Anybody else whose name is not there? B section. All taken. Coming to C section. Ahana.
Present, ma'am.
Radhya.
Ma'am, Radha present.
Arush is not there. Abhishri. Abhishri is not there. Aryan Gangwar, not there. Asjad Raza, not there. Atharva Verma, sorry.
Present, ma'am.
Atharva Verma is present. Wait a second. Abhishri, not there. Anokhi Roy, present. Anshika Yadav, present. Anvesha, present. Arihant is there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Arshit Yadav, Arushi Nigam,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Gangwar. Aryan Gangwar, not there. Athar Verma is there. Asjad is not there. Avantika is present. Ayush Nimesh is not
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Ayushi is there. That was
No,
Avantika.
ma'am, it's me. Yes, ma'am.
Gurleen, not there. Harshit Oberoi. No, Gurleen is there today.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Harshit Oberoi, present, ma'am.
And Gurleen is there in the class. Can you see her?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Himanshu Singh. Ishi. Ishi. Not there. Arav Patel. Jivyansh. Kartikeya Saxena. Not there. Kavya Tripathi. Khyati Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kinjal.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna. Mihika. Porush.
Present, ma'am.
Prachi
Ma'am,
Gangwar.
Mihika
Present, ma'am.
Then Prachi Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Pradyuman and Prakhar.
Yes,
Prashasti.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta. Prashasti is present.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Present, ma'am.
Bolo beta.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham, present. Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I'm present. I got disconnected.
It's okay. It's okay. Kavya Tripathi, right? Okay, marked. Shagun.
Ma'am, present.
Shambhavi. Shashank Navodit. Shivansh Pal. Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Shreya. Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhi.
Present, ma'am.
Then Taran.
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Utkarsh present.
Molly. Molly is there? Is Molly there in the class?
No, ma'am.
Purvashi, Purvi, Rakshit, Saksham, Sanidhya.
Ma'am, Vyom section.
Vyom Sharma, Vyom Saxena. Both are
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Both are present. Shaurya is there. Sanidhya, Saksham, Rakshit, Purvi, Prashasti, Prachi, Sharma. Okay. Right. Many have left the meeting.